Imagine waking up tomorrow with a text from your bank. But it's not your paycheck, it's your side income, rolling in while you were sleeping. No teams, no coding, and no fake guru courses. Just 3 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. And yes, you can start from zero. Today, we break down what's working, who's doing it, and how you can launch it this week. This is Money Flow, and your journey to financial freedom starts now. Welcome to Money Flow, where we turn money from something you earn into something that works for you. If you're serious about building wealth, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because today's video is more than advice, it's a roadmap. The most underrated asset you have: your knowledge. Digital products let you package that knowledge and sell it 24/7. No inventory, no shipping. What is it? Create one-time assets like planners, Notion templates, course guides, stock photos, AI prompts, and list them on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Creative Market. Real case example: Priya Sharma, a freelance designer in Mumbai, made over Rs 2 lakhs in 45 days, selling wedding planners and budgeting templates. She spends just 20 minutes a week updating listings. How to start tonight? Pick a niche. What are people already buying? Search Etsy or TikTok, #digital products. Design a simple product. Use Canva or Notion. Example: monthly fitness tracker or AI Instagram caption generator. Create a storefront. Use Gumroad, free, or Etsy, small listing fee. Launch with 3-5 products. Make them simple but well designed. Promote on Pinterest or YouTube Shorts. Risks and tips: market saturation? Yes, but unique design and SEO-rich titles crush. Focus on value. Don't overcomplicate. Solve one pain point per product. What if I told you some YouTubers never show their face, speak, or even edit their videos, and they still make thousands every month? That's the power of faceless YouTube automation. What is it? You create a YouTube channel using voiceovers, AI or Fiverr stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, Envato. Niches like finance, motivation, horror, luxury, tech. Monetization: AdSense, affiliate links, digital products. Sponsorships. Real example: a user named Wealthway grew his channel from 0 to 100K subscribers in under a year using narrated list videos on money hacks and habits. Monthly income? 4K. Step-by-step blueprint. Choose a niche: finance, travel, true crime, or AI. Trends are hot in 2025. Write scripts. Use ChatGPT or script writing freelancers. Voiceover. Record yourself or use tools like 11 Labs or hire from Fiverr. Edit with stock footage, CapCut, VN, or Premiere Pro. Upload 3x a week. Use TubeBuddy for SEO optimization. Bonus: use YouTube Shorts daily to accelerate growth and bring traffic to long-form videos. Risks and warnings: YouTube takes time. First payouts may take months. Stay within fair use and original content boundaries to avoid copyright issues. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is no longer about spammy links or clickbait emails. Now it's about creating AI-enhanced value funnels that generate income passively. What is it? You promote products or services and earn a commission. But now, with AI, you can automate blogs, SEO content via Jasper or ChatGPT, Instagram carousels, Pinterest pins, email series. Example niches that print in 25. AI tools: Jasper, Copy.ai. Finance apps: Cred, Growbow, Upstocks. courses and ebooks, Teachable, Kajabi, software, Notion, Canva, Shopify. A 24-year-old content creator named Rohit launched a Notion blog about productivity and embedded affiliate links to templates. He now earns Rs 70K a month on autopilot. Step by step, pick a niche and tool. Choose a product you use or believe in. Sign up for affiliate program. Amazon, share a sale, impact or direct programs. Create value-first content. AII blog posts, short videos, Instagram carousels. Use Linktree or custom landing pages for conversions. Build a simple email list. ConvertKit. BIV. Tips. Always disclose affiliate relationships. Focus on long-term content. Evergreen. That gets SEO traffic. You don't need permission. You don't need 10 lakhs of capital. You need momentum. Pick one of these ideas. Take imperfect action within 24 hours and build a system that never sleeps. Because the longer you wait, the longer you'll work for money. Instead of letting money work for you. 1 year from now, you'll either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I had." Drop A in the comments if you're ready to start. And comment below which idea you'll launch first, digital, YouTube, or affiliate. Subscribe for next week's video where we show you live income proof from subscribers just like you. Until then, keep your money flowing.